Okay, I want you to see this because I am in this subdomain. Now, when I go to that subdomain that's set up with this program here, I'm going to put my information in here, and I'm going to say submit. And I took everything out of my contacts, so it should take me right into the page that I set up there. And that little sound that you heard there was a notification of the actual opt-in that I received. So, as you see, I went to the page that I'm supposed to go to. But I'm going to do something else here. Okay, I'm going to go to my email because I should have received the first email in the series, which was the big fish. How to get the big fish. It was in the primary business. Take me a minute.
Welcome.
It's opening it. Now you remember the abundant mind.income outbreak.xyz. That's supposed to be where the people's email takes them back to. This is real-time application. For some reason it's not have. There we go. Now, as soon as it loads in there, appears to me that the only one that I can actually get those emails to work for is my primary business, debitcardprofits.net. When somebody signs up on that page, and then it sends them back to that page because I put that autoresponder in that page. There it is. Okay, how to reel in the big fish. Now, what I want you to do is watch what happens when I put my mouse over here. You see that? It says equals HTTP debitcardprofits.net index to HTML. Why doesn't it just say Abundant Mind Income Outbreak .xyz and the information there? Because when I click on that, I'm going to show you what it takes me to. It doesn't take me to, it takes me to that page right there. And that's not to the Abundant Mind website. Actually, if I to that email and click on that again, and it starts, I'm going to stop that. I can. And I'm going to come on.
You made it. You are...
Take that out of there and go to that page right there. There we're back at the domain that they should have been sent to in the first place. I hope you get the point with this and see if you can help me. Thank you.